Hi there, let's read Super Santa, The Science of Christmas. Did you know the science of Christmas? We're going to find out. Look at all those things in the workshop. Snow, flurries, blizzard, typhoon, squall, sleet. Hey ho, here we go. It's countdown time, just minutes away from Christmas Eve, the most magical night of the year. Let's take a peek behind the scenes to see how things are going in Santa's workshop. All year long, we elves have been hustling and bustling, making presents for all the good boys and girls around the world. How many presents? Well, Santa visits about 200 million homes on Christmas, depending on who's been naughty or nice. And if you figure 2 nice kids per house getting 3 presents each, jumpin' Jack Frost, that's over 1 billion presents. Line them up and they could stretch 3 times around the earth. Luckily, Santa has designed his workshop to handle this crazy workload. In the garage, Mrs. Claus and her team are double-checking Santa's sled. This isn't some dime-a-dozen toboggan. Tonight it'll travel about 20 million miles. That's like flying to the moon and back 5 times. It would take Superman more than a year to deliver all the presents that Santa does in one night. But then, when you pile on all the presents, holy hollyberries! Even if the average gift weighs as much as a Lego set, about 2 pounds, the sleigh would have to carry more than 1 million tons. It's like Santa's carrying around 3 Empire State Buildings in his little red sled. But what's really amazing is that even at that speed, with all that weight, the whole sled still can safely come to a stop, bibbidi-bop, in the space of a single roof. Santa's crew spends weeks tuning up the brakes and making sure the reindeer's hooves are super-duper non-skid. At the North Pole, we don't take any chances when it comes to everyone's safety. Hey ho, oh no, it's almost go time, but before he takes off, we have to help Santa into his suit. At the speeds he'll be traveling, things get mighty toasty, and the compression is out of this world. That's why St. Nick's suit has to be super specially designed. It needs to handle all the heat and pressure that comes with such high-speed travel. And speaking of pressure, Santa had better get a move on, or he won't be able to deliver all the presents before sunrise. Bink bonk, ka-chink-a-chonk. Uh-oh, the conveyor belt's jammed. All elves on deck. Looks like way too many kids were nice this year. Sufferin' snowballs. What'll we do? In the thick of it all, Santa and Mrs. Claus stay cool. She leads the loading while Santa makes sure the presents are all strapped on tight. But we're almost a half hour behind schedule now. How will he ever make up all that time? 3, 2, 1, catchoom! Hey-ho, away they go in a sprinkle of stardust and snowflakes. As the sleigh leaves, the big guy winks as if to say, all will be well. Will he go fast enough? Will the sleigh hold up under all the weight? Will he be able to hit the brakes perfectly on every rooftop? Don't worry, we all know he will. Santa has it all figured out. Kris Kringle is a Christmas superhero. What a takeoff! Santa and his reindeer zoom away at 730,000 miles per hour. That's how fast the sleigh has to go to reach every house in time. If you were to accelerate as fast as Santa does, the G-forces would make it feel like there were 17 blue whales on top of you. But for Santa in his supersuit, it's no big thing at all. To make up for lost time, Santa puts his super smarts to work again. By flying from east to west across the international date line, he's able to turn Christmas Eve into 31 hours of darkness for his deliveries. In fact, he's doing so well that Santa has time to chow down 400 million cookies and drink almost 200 million glasses of milk. Taken together, that's enough calories in one night to keep someone going for years. but Santa needs every bite. Delivering this many presents is hard work. As the sun peeks over the horizon, here comes sleepy-eyed Santa, 9 tired reindeer, and 1 empty sleigh. Jingle, jangle, and jingle bells. It's been another exhausting but successful Christmas Eve. Hey ho, what do you know? Bet you never thought that Santa was a Christmas superhero. It's all part of this special day's sparkle, but none of it would be possible without a little science and engineering and a whole lot of Christmas magic. So when you're opening that perfect gift on Christmas morning, pause for a moment. Think about everything that Santa has done to put a present in your hands and send up a thank you to Super Saint Nick, Mrs. Claus's can-do attitude, and the most tech-savvy team of elves in the whole North Pole. And there they are. Did you enjoy that? Super Santa, the science of Christmas. Hope you did. Hope you subscribe and come back often. And we'll see you next time here on Stories with Grandma. And make sure you check out my Christmas playlist. You'll enjoy it.